If you're starting to learn electronics or are looking for a second or backup meter, stay with me while we take a look at the KAIWEETS KM100. I think you're going to find it well worth your time. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the KAIWEETS Digital Multimeter with case and 3 things you need to know about it. I like this meter so much, spoiler alert, even if you've already got another one, this is not a bad one to have in your back pocket. And 3 things you need to know about this one. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate it. Thing number 1, if you don't already have a digital multimeter, this is a good one to start with. One of my favorite things we'll talk about when we get to thing number 2. If you already have a multimeter, this one's good as a spare. If you're ever concerned about not having, the right readings or want to make sure you got all right, this is a way to go. Thing number 2, this is powered by AA batteries, which can be removed, and I would suggest removing them if you're not going to be using the meter for several days, just to prevent battery leakage from damaging what would otherwise be a very good meter. Thing number 3, it comes with a case, initial set of batteries, which is unusual anymore. Not all devices come with their own batteries, and the cables you need to use the multimeter. The more you protect your equipment, and I'm talking about the case in this point, the longer it will last. It's just a matter of taking care of things one step at a time. The batteries are easy enough to pull and replace. You just need a very small Phillips screwdriver, which you probably got 1 or 2 laying around the house, and that's all you need to worry about. So take a look at this device and think about getting one today. You won't regret it. I know I don't. I mean, I've got, like anything, I've got several meters, but this is one that is always at hand, and I keep it with my main electronics workbench setup just so that I've got one that's a known good thing to do. And if you've seen some of my other product reviews, there is a voltage reference card that you can get that you can verify how accurate your meter is. So that's another good thing to have as you're building your test equipment repertoire. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.